Hi, in this tutorial we will show how to install Steeroid and configure the built-in Chromium for web automation. And then later test our settings by creating some web recordings if it's all ready to go. So here are the summary. We have lots to cover, so let us begin. So here I am now on my desktop. Go to the Steer download page. The link is provided in the description section of this tutorial. Download the zip file setup and look for the Steeroid setup.msi. Double-click it and it will start the installation. You can just take the default settings of the installation. Now, start a web recording button, and a Chromium window will pop up. Let us install here the extension. Go to More Tools and click the Extension menu. Make sure that you set Chromium to developer mode. Click the Load Unpacked, and navigate to the installation folder of Steeroid. You should find the Dev Noteplay extension to folder under Common / Chrome folder. Now select that folder, and the extension is now installed. Create a new tab and you should see a steering wheel icon on the top bar. You can now activate the recorder by clicking the icon. Start recording your browser to test it. We are now ready to start the recording. Hit that record button and let's browse the internet. We will navigate to Amazon.com and search for some cheap mask. And later we can see the scripts are made on the fly as we make our activities. So here are the footprints of our actions after we browse the Amazon page. We can stop now the web recordings and replay the activities. It is a good practice to always validate your scripts before saving. So let's play it again. The scripts executed successfully. We can now save it to Steeroid format. Now click the Save button and we will now go back to the main window of Steeroid. Web recording is just another type of automation component that you can attach to any Steeroid file, as you will know later. Finally, we will now save it to an actual file, after which you can call this file remotely to run it wherever you are and whenever you want. Let us see how Steeroid execute a web recordings. That's wrap up our quick demo. Please check on other tutorials for more information. Since you made it this far, please thumbs up and like our video. Thank you and I hope you had a wonderful day. Good, bye.